Hello friends, welcome to the Shrakshit channel. If you are watching my channel for the first time, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. In today's video, we are going to see bread pulao or brinji rice recipe. For this here I have taken beans, carrot, potato and one medium sized onion and roughly chopped two medium sized tomato. Beans here I have chopped it in this way and carrots in julienne cuts. Here I will show you in lengthy wise, and potato I have chopped and one slit green chilli, sliced onion and roughly chopped tomato. And for here green paste, here I have taken one handful of mint leaves and coriander leaves, 10 pods of garlic and 1 inch of ginger and slit green chilli, and soaked the basmati rice. Here I have taken 2 glasses of basmati rice. First here I have kept the pressure cooker and add 2 spoons of oil and 1 spoon of ghee, and add all the spice ingredients like 1 spoon of fennel and 3 cardamom, 4 cloves and 2 inch of cinnamon sticks and bay leaves. Tear the bay leaves in this way so it gives a nice aroma to the pulao. And now add the sliced onions and slit green chilli and saute it well on a medium flame until onion becomes transparent. Meanwhile, into a blender, add ginger, garlic pods, green chilli, mint leaves and coriander and make into a fine paste. While grinding, add 2 to 3 spoons of water and blend it well into a smooth paste. It should be in this consistency and set it aside. In meanwhile, into a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of chopped mint leaves and saute it well, and add all the chopped veggies and tomatoes into the pressure cooker. Mix it well and keep your flame on medium and add required amount of salt for the whole recipe and gently mix it and close with the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes on a medium flame. After 5 minutes, our vegetable has been 20% cooked, and add the grounded green paste and mix it well and close the lid and let it cook for about 8 minutes on a medium flame. After 8 minutes, you can see the glossy texture of an vegetables. Now add 1 spoon of red chilli powder and 1/4 spoon of garam masala. You can increase or decrease the quantity of spiciness according to your taste. Now add the water. Here I have taken 2 glasses of rice, so I am adding 3.5 glass of water and let it allow to boil, and add the chopped coriander and add 3 tablespoons of ghee. It's additionally optional. Once water starts boiling, add the soaked basmati rice, and once the water starts boiling after adding the rice, keep your flame on medium high and close the lid and pressure it under for 3 whistles. In meanwhile, take in kadai and add required amount of oil for the deep fry. And here I have cut the bread slices in this shape. You can even cut whatever shape you want. Fry the bread pieces until it becomes golden brown. Once it reaches this stage, transfer them into a paper towel. In meanwhile, pressure is released. We will check texture of the pulao. Here our grainy pulao is ready. Now I will add the fried bread pieces. Mix it gently. If you want, you can transfer the whole pulao into an kadai and then add the bread pieces. Here is our bread pulao or brinji rice is ready. Goes well with cucumber raita. Try out the recipe. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you like, give big thumbs up and leave your comments in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe.